Navigate to the topic within the course in which you would like to place your quiz or test. Next, toggle on the Course Edit mode using the button at the top of the page. The page is now enabled for editing, so you can rearrange elements, add activities or resources, and make other changes. Scroll as needed to the bottom of the Content section and then click Add an activity or resource. A window opens listing all the activities or resources you can add, with the quiz option under Activities. Select the quiz option, then click Add. A new quiz page opens with the General section open by default. The first field, Name, displays a required icon, indicating that you must complete this field in order to create the quiz. Enter a name for the quiz in the Name field. Enter a description, if desired, in the Description field. Use the toolbar at the top of the Description field to format the text and add hyperlinks, images, videos, or other media. If you want the description to appear on the course page, click the Display Description on Course Page checkbox to add a checkmark. Continue by scrolling down the page and expanding each section on the quiz page to complete the desired fields as needed. For instance, to set timing options, such as when students can begin attempting the quiz, when they must complete it, and how long they are able to spend on each attempt, expand the Timing section. For each setting you wish to set, first click the Enable checkbox to its right, then make the desired changes. To set the grade required for a student to pass the quiz, how many attempts they have for the quiz, and how to calculate each student's final score when more than one attempt is allowed, expand the Grade section. To manage how and when students may review their results, expand the Review Options section and toggle the options as needed. Please note, clicking the question mark bubbles for more information in this section is recommended, as there are many options to choose from. For more information about these options, please revisit the training library for a separate video on this specific topic. Once you've specified the desired settings for this quiz, click Save and Display. The quiz page appears, displaying basic information about the quiz and a message that no questions have yet been added. Click Edit Quiz. A quiz content page opens where you can add and work with questions. To the right of the page, click the blue Add button, then select your preferred method for selecting questions. Choose a new question if you want to create a new question from scratch, from Question Bank if you want to choose questions from the current course test bank, or a random question if you want to pull random questions from a specified category within the course test bank. For additional help on adding questions, please review the separate How to Add Questions to a Quiz video. All questions you add will automatically be saved as they are populated to the body of the quiz. The Save button on the quiz page will only need to be selected in the event you choose to update the maximum grade field, which limits the number of points the quiz is worth in the gradebook. When you are satisfied with the questions you have added, you may return to any course page and continue your work.